today we're going to make designer front open jackets. This is part 2 where we show you how to stitch it. If you haven't seen part 1, check out part 1. That's the video where we show you how to cut this out. So let's begin. So first we're going to be stitching the front part. So the extra bit that we left on the end, we're going to fold it in half first and stitch it, then fold it in another half and stitch it to make a little bit of a design and an effect that makes it look nice. So we're doing our second fold. And stitching it. So the front part, open bits, stitching is finished. So to the back part, you're going to place the front part face to face. And you're going to stitch along the edges like this. So it's joined together. Just the shoulder part, so just the top part. Now we opened it up and we're going to attach our sleeve. So we're going to match it up. So make sure you add a pin so it's secured. And then you're going to stitch it. So both the sleeves are attached. Now we're going to do the wrist. So wrist is on this side. So you're going to fold the ends and stitch. So we're just joining up the lines on where we're going to stitch and make it a bit darker so we know where they are. And we're going to do the same line on the other side, so just measure it over there and then draw it. Now on both sides we're going to stitch from that line all the way down so it's joined up as a full jacket. Now we're going to stitch the neckline. So we're going to place a bit of netting fabric and stitch that round first. Now we're folding it again. So on the inside, so you can't be seeing the netting. And then we're going to stitch. This is just to create the shape of the neck and make it look better. Now right at the bottom of our jacket, we're going to fold 1/2 inch and stitch to create that little borderline. Now fold another inch, and this is the final stitch. So we finished stitching our designer jacket. It's a designer front open jacket. It could be worn on top of an anarchy or anything you like. It looks very nice and stylish. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below. And check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.